Dear all, after the completion of first chapter from your civics textbook, let's discuss LC. Look at question number 1. What do you mean by the term democracy? What do you mean by the term democracy? Answer. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is a government of people, by the people, and for the people. Democracy is a government of people, by the people, and for the people. Question second. What do you understand by the Constitution? Answer. A constitution helps as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. Question number 3. When did the Indian Constituent Assembly form? Answer. 6 December 1946. Question number 4. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 5. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Question number 6. Which right is known as the heart of Indian Constitution? Answer is right to constitutional remedies as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Means right to constitutional remedies. Now next question. These are optional type question answer. First, the Constitution of India was adopted or enacted on. Correct option is 26 November 1949. Second, Indian Constitution came into force on. Correct option is 26 January 1950. Third, fundamental duties were added in. Correct answer B 1976. Next question. Abolition of slavery and bonded labor uphold the right against. Correct option is C. Exploitation. Next question. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Fundamental rights of the citizens are the rights against. Correct option C. State. Now look at next question, question number 2. That is match the columns. Fundamental rights. Correct matching is USA. B. Parliamentary form of government. Correct matching UK, United Kingdom. C. Directive principles of state policy. Correct matching Ireland, means first Ireland. Next, fundamental duties. This has been given in front of fundamental duties. USSR means Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Next question. Answer the questions in brief. Question number 4. What do you mean by the word amendment? Answer is a part that is added or a small change that is made to a piece of writing, especially to a law. Listen again. A part that is added or a small change that is made to a piece of writing, especially to a law. Question B. Name the 6 fundamental rights granted to us by the Indian Constitution. You can see answer at page number 14 from your textbook. Next question. Discuss the main key features of the Indian Constitution. Dear students, I have already discussed about the key features of the Indian Constitution. I have discussed about 5 key features. So this question is to be discussed. Next question, question D. Indian Constitution is the written and comprehensive document in the world. Do you agree? You can see here there is a heading written and detailed constitution. So you can write answer for this question from here. Read this. The constitution is a wholly written document which incorporates the constitutional law of India. Indian constitution is a very detailed constitution. It consists of 448 articles divided into 25 parts with 12 schedules and 122 constitutional amendments. It is a constitution of both the center and the state of the Indian Union. Take care. Higher order thinking skill question. Question number 5A. Fundamental rights are universal in nature, but they are not absolute. Do you agree? Explain. Take care answer. Yes. These fundamental rights are provided with reasonable restrictions. Under the Constitution of India, fundamental rights with exceptions can be suspended during the period of emergency. For example, right to freedom of speech can be restricted. The Supreme Court of India has decided that all provisions of the Constitution, including fundamental rights, can be amended. So we can say that fundamental rights are universal in nature, but they are not absolute, means complete right. That are not as complete rights. Move on. Next question. Indian Constitution is a blend of flexibility and rigidity. यानी भारतीय संविधान में लचीलापन और कठोरता दोनों के लक्षण हैं. Do you agree with this statement? Explain. Yes, I agree with this statement because the procedure of amendment is neither easy nor difficult. The Constitution has provided a federal structure for India, so three types of amendment procedures has been adopted in our Constitution. First procedure, certain provisions of the Constitution can be amended by a simple majority in Parliament. Second, certain provisions can be amended by two-third majority in Parliament and approved or accepted by at least 50% of the states. And third procedure is the remaining provisions can be amended by Parliament by two-third majority. And last question, this is value-based questions. Question number 6 is value-based questions. Read it. Which values do you find in the statement fundamental rights are the consensus of the Indian Constitution? Write down answer. In this statement, we find values such as freedom, dignity, and solidarity or unity. Now, students, I have properly discussed the exercise from your LC textbook. I hope you have understood properly and do it properly. Thank you.